What is a volt stick? Well, a volt stick has many names across the industry. Essentially, it's a non-contact voltage indicator that lights up whenever we are near a live AC voltage at any point in the installation. It does this by using a built-in sensor in the tip of the tester. When held near an AC voltage, it will in fact glow and beep to indicate voltage is present. Now let's see a volt stick in action.
But I just wanted to show it you. It flashes on and off like that. That's its proving unit. And this is the non-contact device. So for a quick check of the cable, it's ideal. Look at that. You find the live cable, it glows red and emits an audible alarm. So you can detect, you can even use it in sockets to detect whether the socket is on or off. So very useful piece of equipment for a quick test.